I'm going to show you how to restore your iPhone. We're going to connect the phone to our computer in there. What we do now is put this into what's called the FU mode. On this particular model, the iPhone 14 Pro, 1, 2, and hold. Just going to keep our finger on the power button. And what should happen is that's going to cut out. We're going to keep holding, and any minute now we should see the Apple logo. There it is. MacBook computer logo popping up. We are ready for restore. Next is open up iTunes, and the phone has been picked up, and you should have a box here that says restore iPhone. So all we're going to do is click on restore. Hit with this box that's warning us that all data is going to be erased and that the phone is also going to be updated. Hit restore and update. We need to hit next to accept, and then we are going to agree. Little icon in the top showing us that the software is being downloaded. Just as a reminder, this method is going to completely factory reset your device. So if you do want to back up your phone first, we will be doing another video to show you how to do this correctly so all your information is safe. As you can see now, it's restoring the iPhone. You can see the bar is halfway now. The phone's now finished. So the phone is now back on. We're going to swipe up and the phone is now ready for setup. If you like content like this as well, make sure you like, share and follow the page for more TPS tech tips.